Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record a TikTok using your phone in under 3 minutes. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do when you create TikTok is, if you've already filmed it, you want to load in your videos, and I'm going to doing this by creating a new TikTok and uploading my videos. I've already put them into a folder to make them easy to find, but you can place them wherever you want. Here we go. Now make sure you select them in the order that you want them to appear, because this makes your life a lot easier. So now I'm loading them in. I hit default because that means there's no audio on it except the audio I've chosen. And I'm going in and selecting each clip and trimming it to remove the dead ends. Essentially just making sure I start and don't waste time not speaking. You can see I'm trimming those in a little bit and then clicking the sign to make it correct. The other thing I'm doing in here as well, rotating the videos to make sure they're portrait and fill the camera screen or the video screen so that they can take up the whole video. Once that's done, I can select OK and the videos join together. Now I'm going in and adding text using the text button and then typing in the text. I'm adjusting the size there, and the first thing I do after this is set the duration. So I click on the button and I set duration and I drag that in to have a duration of about 10 seconds, which is enough. After this, I'm going to go in and add a popular song. Adding a popular song means it's going to get more views because TikTok's more likely to show it. I drag the audio quite low so the popular song is in the background, because in this TikTok I'm going to be speaking. And after this, all that's left to do is hit next and post the video. Now make sure you write some sort of caption that's engaging and tells the audience what they're going to get out of watching the video. And then after writing this, you want to include some good hashtags that represent the video. In this case, I've chosen some 4-wheel driving and car related hashtags because that's the audience that I'm targeting, but you should use hashtags that represent your audience because that's more likely to show the video to the right person. After this, all that's left to do is hit post and away we go. Now, once it's uploaded, you'll be able to find this video on your profile, and it should be right at the very top because that's the most recent upload. And that's how easy it is to make a TikTok. This TikTok I actually recreated, got about 100,000 views, which is not massive on TikTok, but it's quite good considering it's a very simple video and that's still a very large audience in the scheme of things. Now, if you haven't heard of TikTok, you're probably living under a rock, but it is one of the fastest growing social media platforms available right now. It originally came out of China from a combination of a couple of other startups, but it is now spread everywhere across the world. What's made it so addictive and exciting for people is that what TikTok does, it's essentially a video sharing platform where you swipe through and receive new videos instantly. It's very much like the Facebook news feed, but more exciting and it incites more emotions. So this has led to it being spread all across the world, and it's just so easy to use. It's the best thing about it because you can film and create these amazing videos and tell stories using your phone, which is why TikTok has gained so much popularity. So I recommend to get started with TikTok, you just start by creating your own content. Don't be perfect, but just see what resonates with your audience. It doesn't have to be the most produced or the most magnificent videos, because they don't always get the most views. Just create the content that you're capable of filming and start with there and see what the response is. You might be surprised by what the response is because people really don't care about the quality on TikTok. You can film it with a shaky hand and have average audio and it still might do alright. So don't discount the fact that your TikToks aren't going to be successful because they aren't overly produced. I hope this video helped, guys. If it did, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks so much, guys. I'll catch you all next time. Ciao, ciao.